Nissan Altima out of timing after top overhauling. This vehicle has been released, then after 1 week came back because there is a check engine light and slightly rough idling or misfiring. Then we have to find out what is that check engine light. So we are going to use a scan tool to know the DTC of the engine. I will use a scan tool to find out the DTC. Here is the DTC. Says exhaust valve timing control B1 and intake valve timing control B1. And the last one is camshaft position timing B1. To find out the value, you have to go to the parameters data of the scan. You will find out the reading was 0%. Why? And also the intake valve timing B1 was negative. When the engine, while is on idle, it is more lower to negative. When I received this vehicle, and after this diagnosis with a scan tool, I recommended to remove the valve cover to recheck the timing. Recheck the timing with the procedure of running mate timing setting. Even though that is out of timing mark, I can read it, the incorrect timing. Now the top valve cover gasket has been removed and I was found out jump out of one gear kit. In this video, you can see that I am sharing my knowledge
Beginning to close,
of
beginning to
timing
open.
setting
That is the running mate.
without a timing mark. I told to this guy, forget the timing mark. I will show you how to set the timing without timing mark with the use of running mate. For proper setting of timing, set to before top dead center with the use of round straight rod and mark it beginning to open of intake valve and beginning to close of exhaust valve, even that is out of timing mark. And surprisingly, it amazing if you did it. Proceed to timing setting with the use of running mate. Look at the rod inserted to number 1 cylinder and mark it with masking tape. That is BTDC. Now go to the next step. Is the intake camshaft position of the cam lobe. Have a look the position of the intake camshaft, the cam lobe position. This is the cam lobe of the intake camshaft and the running mate is number 4 cylinder. Rotate the camshaft moderately and will notice beginning to open of the intake valve and stop the rotation. And they call it a zero angle position. The valve cap, it should not be moved, and before the cam lobe touch to the cap, it should be stopped to the zero angle position. That is the running mate beginning to open of the intake valve. That's it. Now our next is the exhaust camshaft position cam lobe. Now we are in exhaust camshaft. Rotate moderately clockwise and look at the position of the cam lobe before closing of the exhaust valve. Before touch the cap valve. The cap valve before touch the cam lobe, it should be zero angle position of the cam lobe. That is before closing of the exhaust valve. If you did it the timing correctly, this such kinds of engine misfiring is eliminated. It's a matter of an excuses. And for sure, the engine misfiring at idle will no longer misfire. This is the actual footage of my video. Timing has been reset. and I am just instructed them that they can do it without my presence. Please kindly apologize me for not seeing the video that the engine has been started because I wasn't there. And they didn't record the engine that has been started. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. God bless to all.